Hey YouTube, it's Tor and I'm here to bring you a review of the Sleek Pro Hair Care Sweet Moroccan line. On the bottom you have the oil, the left the hair mask, leave-in conditioner, shampoo, and then Sweet Moroccan conditioner. Now let's get into this tutorial. So I start off with the shampoo and I run it through my hair using my fingers, and as you can see it lathers very well. Of course, if you want to build your lather, all you have to do is just add more water, which is kind of what I'm doing right here. And then I rinse it out. Now with the conditioner, I distribute the conditioner through my hair using my fingers, and I work my way from one side to the next and then towards the back. Just an up close of what my hair looks like with the conditioner. And this is the amount of shedding that I have. So now we're on to the hair mask. It comes with a little applicator spoon. I guess a little goes a long way, but for me, I like to make sure that my hair is completely penetrated by a deep conditioner such as this hair mask. So I ought not to use the spoon and just use my hands. I kind of section my hair off. Continuing to run my fingers through my hair. Here I'm braiding this side. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to wrap it in a knot or braid it, so I kind of did both. Now I'm going to show you my wash and go routine. Here I'm showing you the Edge Entity Follicle Stimulator. I use it to stimulate my hairline to get these edges back in shape. So here I'm sectioning off my hair. I'm going in with the Sweet Moroccan oil, then the leave-in conditioner, and then Eco Style gel. And I am doing this on each section, starting again with the oil, leave-in conditioner, and then Eco Style gel. I'm using my fingers to kind of separate and define my curls, but later on you'll see that I do use a bristle brush. brush through with the product and kind of define my curls even more. Again, I'm using the oil, the leave-in conditioner, and Eco Style Gel. Using the bristle brush on this last section and kind of alternating between the brush and my fingers, kind of separating my curls, and that is pretty much my wash and go routine. So I definitely have to have a part, so that's what you see me doing there. And that is pretty much it. So please let me know if you like this video. I'm definitely down to doing more. Here's a picture of my curls afterwards, and here's a picture of me and my baby. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.